Definitely one of the most frustrating things about being a specialist in this field of ADHD is just how misunderstood ADHD and executive functioning truly are. Most people still think that ADHD is an attention disorder, and most people still think that executive functioning is simply just time management and organization. When in fact, ADHD is a developmental disorder of the executive functioning system. And executive functions are the greatest predictor of success for human beings. And they're not external time management and organization, they are internal skills that all human beings need to be successful. And what frustrates me the most is every single day I talk to families that reach out to learn more about GrowNOW services, and I would say about 90 to 95% of them have already been through so many unsuccessful therapies or different interventions and approaches in the past. They've wasted so much time, they've wasted so much money, and they have little to no progress to show for it, so they feel burnt out, frustrated, and unbelievably skeptical that anything can actually help them and their child. This is exactly why I developed the GrowNOW model of internal skills and the very specific type of service delivery that best helps families and best helps increase independence, positivity, and success for their child and their teen. When it comes to direct executive functioning coaching to the student, it's not just organizing their backpack and organizing folders and creating checklists and setting alarms. We have to strengthen their internal system and develop an internal system of checks and balances, because that's what a weak executive functioning system is: an inability to stop responding to the outside world, stop getting distracted, stop getting lost in technology, stop, think, process, and then do, and start to use the more educated choices of plan B, plan C, plan D, instead of always just going with plan A all the time, which tends to be the least thought out, the least educated, and the most impulsive choice that usually ends up hurting the child. So we have to strengthen the internal executive functioning system to help them become more independent and successful. Alongside that one-to-one executive functioning coaching with a student, there has to be direct parent coaching and parent training. This is to ensure there are environmental changes and communication changes and day-to-day changes that the child experiences to help make sure that these new skills transfer into the natural environment of the home.